If it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you're a long time subscriber, make sure you share the video and you click that like button. Wonder who can get them to sell.
So you have to be shy. You look good still in a bed. Enough money this now. I love that.
They can't use it for your little only fun. They can't use it for their only fun.
I want enough money. Good money. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, good times. Oh. Emergency! Emergency! Patsy! What happened? Oh, look if my shot broke. Can me get one dream? I me one if my shot broke. What? Hurry up, man! Mama. What you say? Your shot broke?
Hello? Me not hear you good.
Mama say, my dream them walk straight, you know.
Morning.
Morning.
Not about some price, you know.
When you ready, me take some. I just want to finish wash out them clothes there. Out here, you know, from
You're gonna wash my clothes for me too.
You know, wash yesterday already.
Apart from that, I have some different things you could have wash.
When I done, I see if I can wash my clothes.
But your clothes more I wash, you know.
Oh.
You don't wash them back and wash your back before your boyfriend wake up.
I'm so weak, so that now will pass away.
Back small, man, you know, take enough time for wash, you know. And your back small.
I mean, I make porridge.
You make porridge?
Yeah.
If in a bathroom and I make porridge, I cannot do and I make porridge.
I use the toilet. You can't go for piece of tissue for me. My name member for carry none coming on here.
So, oh, you got a bathroom and a cat tissue. Oh, if you not cat tissue, got a bathroom.
Me just name member. Carry come now?
You can't make porridge in a bathroom, you know. You know where you go.
Me a multitask. Just carry tissue come.
Alright. We start later.
Yeah.
Hey, where's you going now?
You know what, sir? Where you exactly?
You know, so I'm not close by cause I'm on a little mission, man, cause one of them youth are work for me. Run with me money. Yeah, man, church man too, you know, run with me money. Now him me have me boy them a mash up right you know. So that the mission me upon.
They broke my shop, you know.
Where's happened to your shop?
They broke my shop.
Lie.
I me feel like see a thief going to the shop. And then me I go right now, someone you come call it me.
Ah, you are. Me just deal with a little one mission first. And then me see what me can do. Zin?
Me now wait then me I go up there, so if anything I meet me, just call me before you come.
Alright then, alright.
Alright, come on.
see ya.
Pull up my shirt.
Nobody make it, your hand touch me.
Oh, not there for my hand.
Go on.
Yeah, you don't matter about it, but talk about you.
Let me know what that about me.
On the road, we go up on the road and yo, you don't talk about this man, thief. Because them keep a look up party and they say, shell off your bar, do so you that.
I know nothing now, man. You know where you go. I know nothing now, man, I'm girl. You know where you go.
You win a lot of man.
We not talk. Me a chop, me, brother, me a chopper, you know.
The chop.
Me a chopper, brother.
Yeah, well, my advice to you still, you know. You have one life to live, but live it carefully. Whoops and right thing out the door. Anything you chop out of grass, you chop.
I'm there.
Don't do it.
My finger them a chop for me. What do you mean? You got telephone and a telephone.
Now young people who don't know what to do, you know. You see what I do? I'm second along with a sister. I can't chop.
Well, chop a life, nice. I see how we all live.
Alright, we have one.
I see how my woman look.
Yeah, we can't
I
live
think a little bit of money me I spend on him in there.
That's it, we get a whole woman put on my yard, but I have to spend no money.
Eh?
Yeah, understand?
Barber, I send him go trim when we feel like.
No, that's why I shoot.
And put by head, foot on your head.
How much you have to wash our shit?
Babes, how you do shit wash?
You know, some did have some clothes in a soak. That's why you turn off the fire. That me go and wash out.
Alright.
Yo,
What it up?
yeah man, that's alright.
Fire! What?
Dan, what you doing sir?
Relax yourself, man.
So you no calm for us, man. Just a walk around when I back a yard, so what?
Come on, man. If you know, when me a call, nobody not really here, so you have to come on about. Me say a big building there, you know. But anyway, still, I know that me come board. Come on, me tell you something, what.
Me hear man. I peel a food I put in a pot. My woman soon come off of the road. She up on the road and forward. So talk fast. What you say now?
Alright, you message. How much money me I look for borrow?
Me look like bank. But anyway, you when you lend no money, you know, you take long to pay back, you know. Because at least you pay back, but then you don't pay back on the time. You have to be better with the time, you know. More money you want to borrow, so.
You know, say, I want 45,000 me I look. And even 2 grand more upon if you can't put it upon it. You know, 47 we do me. I beg you, emergency situation, you know.
Yo, hear me answer to you now. Me no bank, you know. You see the 45 something there, or 47. You could have gone to a bank for the 40, you could have done the 7. Take it or leave it. Me not go more than what me can afford. My pitney go to college. But the reason why I lend you money, that means say when my pitney want money to go to college, I can borrow back money from you. You can't be one way every time I lend you. When I deal, I go borrow back money from you. So I can lend you $7,000. What you say, you want $7,000 borrow?
Tell her the truth, the 7,000 can't even pay the taxi fare. Upon a journey me are going on. Just help me, man. You know, say we get it back on the collection plate road. Just help me out, man.
You know, say you and the pastor make you all the money with the community. You know, when you pastor and the cash pot shop and the bar, they only make you all the money. I am just a humble little youth to try to survive. So even now, I can lend 7,000. The pastor can lend 40. So you ain't there in a said party. You don't figure it out.
Alright, give me 7. Me take it. Me take it. You still can't fill a gap, see you.
And here come there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So how you see you have 7?
Well, I have only 37,000. 30,000 to pay the light bill. I lend you 7,000. I now make my light cut off because of you know. Go and do it the fast. I give him back if you don't want it.
No, you can't.
Oh, you're going to do that. Me
You
say,
can't
give me my money.
you
Go
can't
give
do
me.
what we do at the church with Bridget.
This is not church. This is
Alright,
I yard.
thanks.
Burn it down.
God bless you.
Only time you say God bless you is when you get something. When the Christian people are original.
Fire!
How that?
I'm in man, Kira.
Come in. Boy, pregnancy fit your door.
How will Papa come over here and do?
Oh, you know, even just pop up all the while. As alone, he's saying once, he have some business to take care of.
Popeye, I go do business. You ever hear Popeye have business idiot? Listen, me and Popeye have one argument out this a while ago. And he say, but he no feel say I feel picking. And he can't find out or he having ways and he can't find out how to pick me not to worry myself. So the money where him come borrow from you, I read a woman or be a man. I don't know which one of them him go, but one of them him a go. And a business Popeye I go do.
Well, I never know that, you know. Because I burn fire upon them thing there, you know. I fire upon them thing there where you take your 9 months. But I not say a word still, because you see me as a youth, I not mix up. So, inside business, I do. So, you know what I do. Left at that. So, what you think, though?
What me think? What you have know is, really and truly, I feel picking, you know. Because I do some calculation for the calendar. And for them the time there, I bear pill up Popeye. Because I come see you.
Well, it's rough. I have a look short one here, I don't know if I mind still. So, make it come if I feel my mind. I'm a virgin, but you have to understand. Say, alive. We live in now a world like this apart. We take what we get. You give me a little, me give you a little, and if little something come, it come. We take care of it. But if a man look like he's suicide and go kill or anything, me have to go start plan. We can carry up so, make a baby up so, up the line, and then we come up like on the DNA, and the DNA now, if I my picnic, we get to a different place, you stay up that side, and then if I feel picnic, I pick come back on game. Simple mathematics.
Alright, that can work. But if I hear a picnic and me have to stay up there, so not two are going up there, so me I gonna need a business. So you have to go give me money, for me open one business, so me can go get certified, and open one ear store where me can do ear and something, because you know say that me love.
Don't worry yourself. Me have some land at some place where me have to go sell to. Don't worry yourself.
Well, to be honest with you, me never do so well in a school. Me did fully done some bossy. And so comes me there over there so with Popeye.
Well, and everybody went born to really, you know what I mean? To really learn. The brain is like a computer and memory. Some brain can hold one little gig, some brain can hold more than gig and mega.
I want to go on there, sir.
You don't know say she pregnant and she not feel so good, so I check her pressure. It's normal, it's kind of normal.
So you turn doctor now?
After I learn at school, I know about pressure, man. I don't check her pressure yet.
Boy, Miss Candy, me not enough pain.
So you have my number, why you never call me?
Boy, Candy, I true, me not have no credit in and plus I right over there so me live, so me say me would just come stretch my foot and look for you.
Yeah, man, she there look for you. But by the way, what you do there? Me think of a fear yard there.
Out the road, me never have a fear yard.
What you do out the road? You have
just-
business out the road?
No, me just take a walk, me not go do nothing.
You see, if you know the over your friend, them a girlfriend, them yard, you tell me your yard. You know no business at the road. A man you keep out upon me?
No.
Make sure that man you keep out upon me, you know.
No, me not have no man. If me did have money there, you would have known
Ah,
that.
no, me not forgive you yet, you know. Cause if pitney where you give me, you know, one short pitney, so you know. And me tall, me not come short. So me no short. Me no in a short business cause she well short. Me mind her take care like a my pitney still. You have my name? But me not do no DNA yet.
My father well shot, so me taller than my father. Look, don't you son, you know my father. So what you try to say? Me a give you a jacket? Where you want to say? You accuse me wrongfully, so me go give you bun and the pitney and the yours. Go and go do your DNA.
Did I tell you say you for me? Me say me
Then
not-
oh you talk.
No, I'm just
That,
talking.
what you try to say? That means say me go keep man with you and give you jacket.
I never say so. Me I say me no know what gwan. Me no know what gwan. So me no trust nothing. Me no know what gwan. Me nah say D and me nah say day. Me just say if you know that your friend them you must stay on my eyesight. No go too far. You gonna walk, you now walk from what day no. You turn your yard. You want straight.
Me have short reading on my family, no matter where you want.
You know your listen up.
I feel
If you want stretch your leg, this house my bill is big enough for your stretch. Watch ya. You must stretch my leg them here. See them stretch them. Stretch for them said where yourself. Or stretch you go cross road and come back yourself. Me not trust you like that.
First of all, the pitney not done grow yet. He still have more time to grow.
If in your old school already, there's a nursing college me I send them go here now. Anyway, me a pot pan fire, you know. So me I go look about that, you know. But stay here, over back or forward, I'm gonna get somebody else put here.
You hear how for me man stay? A jacket he wants to me give me no. But pitney short, him bright, me not like his style, you know. And when him ready, him left gone all about fiend business, I mean, I question him. But that's why dirty man them stay. So what go on in a feel life, you know?
Not a thing, Sam. Just I feel worried for pain and I say me I go stretch my foot. Because the doctor say walking good and the pain we go when time I exercise.
That's true. Once a pregnant doctor will tell you that. Even nurse them too. By the way, me just see for your man up the road. If you ever hear when him tell me say about you and no, me want him to tell. The man they chat and I tell everybody how him not sure said that the pitney there in your belly. I feel him. Me no know want to them your man ya. I want to them. Them have problem with jacket or woman I give them jacket. So for me want that so too. And for you want that so. And what is and the two are we a friend. So you know Billy say him breed you. Me I go tell you something. He tell me personally say. Because he not sure say the pitney in your belly a for him, he go up there man. What a man you take up? Why you feel saying that say the pitney not for him?
Candy, when time me and a little dirty boy have argument, me go cuss him and tell him say, he nah no use and he can't bring nobody. Yeah, use, you can't bring nobody. See what I said to him, so that I give the benefit of the doubt.
Boy, Kira, you rough. But me and friend and me tell you the truth. You can't look for one man and tell him that. You give him the benefit of the doubt. So anything when you believe, because of what you tell him.
True. But you know when woman upset, then say I kind of something. Anyway, me I can go over cause at dinner time, so look at me.
So the pain you in the feels that now?
Not really.
Alright, look more.
Call me later. Cause
Yeah.
a long time you not tell me to mix up.
Alright.
Me know see you. Where you brought me shop for? You ever give me no money? For help stocky shop? Where you gonna me shop for?
So Landy, am I only thief round ya? Eh?
Me know see you.
You see me broke your shop?
Me say me know. The shop empty, clear out.
Hello, I know him alone as thief round here, cause him no thief no pad, we buy pad, we no thief pad. We only thief money, and money we thief and expensive things. We don't want no out to your shop, my girl. Now what? You not look for every day, so don't worry about it.
Yo, I'm running a lane here now. Calm down. Shh. No like nice man a lane here. Where's that one?
This a girl that come try disrespect me. Come have a place in front of me. Woman, I come tell me about me a thief.
Calm down.
Hey, I'm the only thief round here.
Calm down. Imagine now. If you feel same thief things them, you don't have in your house, right? May I give you permission? Go in your house, go check if it's not in your house when thief find you. Me get all right to beat him. Not ever call no
Yeah,
police.
looking at me house. Looking at me house.
Me have a look. Me have a look.
Go
Nah, go find nothing.
look. I'm a thief not out there.
and hurry up,
Look.
man.
You see nothing in a fear? You see nothing in a... Nobody look under my bed, man. Nobody look under my bed. Me don't empty me chibi from,
Touch
man.
me not coming in a
Come.
good mood, you know.
Lady, don't make me disrespect you. Don't make me have to disrespect you.
Calm down. You see nothing in my house here.
No, in there,
Eh? Me I know, so me not chatty. Don't play up that. Alright? That good. Alright, so what we gonna do now? Enough teeth about it, man.
You must be do a thief a Brazilian here come give a put on your head.
Yeah, me have to know. Jamaica full of thief of high places. So, and I look when them down here say alone a thief. Them I learn from the best. So, you have to just secure your place. Put camera there. And your phone, technology that one place and now a small broken in your place, alarm me look for your phone. Sorry about that though. So, every time things missing, you can't choose one somebody because every time they say someone a thief, you then call him thiefy. You understand? So, I don't know what them call them before.
I don't like say me have a broken shop. Me another them type of thief there.
Alright. Anyway, what me I say now? Thief back some for somebody because of your country road.
So, yeah, man.
Alright.
I never know you. My back so you. If me never know you, that me I tell you.
Oh!
Now
You know who she?
Sorry.
Me didn't even know who she.
Abibo family, you know?
Oh, yeah, that's not my daughter. Listen, person.
Abibo family, son.
Oh!
That daughter, everything good, man. Me a find a thief here, yeah? I help you find a thief.
You may say no, you have to be careful, you know. You better lease on land and lease on things more than them mix up with thief. Make them mix up with lease land and lease that. You done a thief and thief that. Don't worry yourself though, but you see a mouth to get in a problem. The girl, I feel people they run the place, right? I know me no want to mix up. Feel bad boy them carry the thing them with iron teeth. You know what I'm saying? I don't want them come up with that thing right now.
I'm a woman I go out, you know.
Alright, go on down now. Don't go on now then.
Me a locksmith.
Alright, go on.
Come on.
Go on do the thing.
Swap because PSP what just up.
Dante! Forward. Hurry up now.
Hey, go now.
You know, say me just a come from a thief door. My shop broke, you know, and me know say I him broke my shop. And when me go down there, I go confront him and ask him about it. The boy a disrespect me, you know. And me no like them the style then.
So you want to do about it?
Come here, make me tell you what me want you do.
Babes. You know, some people that take you for idiot.
Who that?
The people that go link a while ago, man. Eh? All them if you want to sell this to them. You think me a stacky? Me a stacky, you know. Me nah sell this to them so cheap. We want to make a piece of money off of it. You know it go.
Well, all we have to do is find somebody who will pay the money or make them take it on the price we are giving for. It don't make no sense to sell them for so cheap, so might as well we just sell to somebody else. So you just have to go up on the road go find some other people repair.
True, because you
But me not come with you because so much weather they on the road right now.
So I like a rain while go fall out. We not go on the road no rain. The rain a blow as it blow, you know.
And you go me. I'm going to watch out for road.
Yeah.
And then you can come back. Me fresh and early, you know, you easy have to sweat and stuff. A joke. You're not tired to smoke?
You're not tired to look good. Eh?
No, you need to
You're not tired to look good.
You need to say if you go hurry up, sell you something then so
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
get more money.
You're not tired to look good.
Yeah. No. Can't tell if look good. All if I don't feel. So, what do you want for dinner? Come here hungry.
Where I go to? You have a cook?
No, I'm not cook.
Get some fried chicken or something.
Alright. I'm going to leave it right.
David.
Hold that.
I'm Andre, man. Also, I want to shop around and I have some goods around now.
Alright, how much money you plan to spend?
I have to see goods them first for me to get money, man.
Alright. You don't know why I find you.
Also.
Look so. Here? Lock your eye. Make sure you know. Look so.
Awa.
Me no know. Me see a fella.
What you follow me for?
Who ya fella?
Kuba ko ya.
Who ya fella them for?
What you ya no?
Yes! Mm-hmm. Oh, you say? I know you thief me things there.
Them you see
I know you're
Me
fuck
tell,
them.
shut up your mouth, look at me tell, hey, me not like you from man, I'm no eat.
Yo, man,
Hey.
you talk to me, woman, you know.
Oh, you say you never take me. Oh, you say you never take me. Oh, you say you never take me. Oh, you... Ah! Lick him! Lick him! Lick him! Lick him! Stop your head. Yes, man. Run! Not stop run. Come here, my brother. I'm up back to see what I want. But, no man sitting them here. Me no sell them here, no brother. At least me beat him for somebody. Somebody might come beat you. Take more. Patsy! Yeah? So how you say shop broke?
No money no in a pan.
Money no normally keep in a pan and you know too. Me think you mean so they gone with the goods them in the shop.
It shop broke for real. If me not have no money in my pocket, me not have no money in my bank account. Me is a broke girl. So when time I come in your shop, I'm gonna see no money in a pan. It's a broke shop. What you talk about?
Me a talk the items, Lord God, and me go put myself in a problem, you know? You know no sense, you know?
Look here. Next time I call me, be more clearer. A Jamaica with it. So if no money in I come in here and no money in a pan, I broke, we broke.
Later. You can't bother if you work with people more while like you. I'm not gonna say.
Yo, where you say there? Alright, me I come. Hey, where say emergency, you know?
My dream say my shop get robbed. So me call the one Patsy and me say, Patsy, go up a shop, go just look if his shop get robbed or if anybody go in there. Patsy say, yes, them broke his shop. So me mind tell me say a thief he broke the shop because I hunger thief. So me left country this morning, come up come confront him and he disrespect me. So me go for Dante and Dante come. And me and Dante chicken man and go up in one bush go take out some goods. He boy a piece of horse lean up there. When me looking at the bag, none of the goods them are for me. Me just a come for the party place now, you know. Can me go check on the shop. And I broke the shop broke.
So hold on, so you mean if you tell me say no waste all my time drive all the way come down here for just this?
Me understand man, but that's why me know say you got me back, bro, but you have to understand same time, you know. I hear hungry somebody me can call.
Alright, so you see next time before you accuse somebody, just ensure say I saw you go before you call me. Cause me no want to have to broke down hand and no foot, you know.
Me go apologize to him, man, because you know what me do kind of wrong. Because we beat him up there, you know? So me go see him and apologize.
Do what you have to do. Me I will see if me can go back on him and go mash up some work, see?
Alright, respect.
Alright,
Me
yeah,
glad
man.
stay there still, because at least me know say you have me back.
Alright, yeah man, look more. Yo, Tiffy. Yo, a Bieber man. Alright, don't worry about that, man. Yo, me out to your gate, forward, come link me. Why pray I know me general? Alright, you are going. We need a minute with you alone. Make your big one on.
Yeah, man, she good, man. She good.
Brother, you move like a silk boss, you know.
Bray, go on now. You know you got my boss. I'm a woman. You know you
Alright. So you know the type of business I'm just say. A poker box me deal with, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man, so I want a little warrior to come run off the business to me. I see in the community I get a whole heap of little problem. When I see you, you remind me of myself when I was younger. You know, a whole heap of little mix up. People say me thief, people say me that, people say me this. But at the end of the day, I pick up the pieces and I better myself and I do business now. So I want you to come run off the business for me. What I actually want you to do, when you go at each one of the bar them,
Mm-hmm.
collect all of the money them we win and go deposit the money for me.
We are talk about boss. Them listen to me do. Me collect things one up for me. Them me can manage it, man. Yeah, man. Anything one up for me, them listen to my life we collect. Anything one up for me.
Alright, so when you think you can start?
When I want me start right now, if you're ready right now, I'm ready right now, you know. Doesn't make up.
Alright.
When no money don't touch me hand.
Alright, so you ready to get ready? And when you forward, don't Susie bar. You just call her, make sure you know say yeah, come. And just go pick up. See?
Alright, then no problem, man. Me
Alright.
there, man. I feel your number this.
Yeah man, my number, save it.
Alright then, alright.
Bray!
So man did I say?
The man I say, right now, all of the money them want me collect, and me I go collect them. So you know how that go.
So that means that you control things now.
Everything me have done, you know.
I like. Oh God, means that means say we are gonna upgrade and thing, floss and party. What I party them?
Anything you want.
What you say? Hotel and them thing there, everything.
You want
Big
hotel,
money
you want nails with dough?
Right, that's
Eh?
right.
Anything.
Alright,
Brazilian,
that sound good. That sound good. Come tell you that
Peruvian, any one of them.
that me like here. Come tell you that this little automotive and thing. Come that is one big money.
You're gonna be able to buy your mama a house. You're gonna be able to spoil yourself. Babes! I mean what? Yeah? When you see me coming here, I need to be treated with respect. I'm work too hard. That's why when I start go so, and start go so, and start go so,
That means
the clothes we start I go so, and I go so. Ah, you ready?
Right.
Hold on.
who they call?
It's the boy that call me. What do you want to say?
No, for answer him. For it time.
I ain't ready!
So I'm glad to see you could have forward on so short notice, you know. I have a little work I want you mash up for me.
See.
Yeah man, I hire one youth to collect up all little money them and a different business place them and deposit on my account. You know, so from that, I don't see no money on my account and the boy not take no call from me.
What you say?
And all me I try calling phone, he not answer, he just had skip around and dodge me.
Oh, dirty style, my David.
Yeah, and it look like I'm a money boy I take on a flask because when me checking Instagram, I'll be a party man in woman a party. So what more you do? More you get one of your boy them. Page him.
Yeah man, show me profile.
Yeah man, look, see the Instagram. See how they look on it, them a party on Instagram?
Happy dog.
Yeah man.
All
so
right.
you are going now. You see if you don't catch him,
Mm-hmm.
you catch him woman.
Wake up! Wake up! Yeah, sleep. You know where there? You can't see me? What is that? Hey, let me tell you this. Where my number? Punch the number on your phone. Punch the number on your phone fast. I don't want to hear nothing from you. Wait till I tell you more. Punch the number. Hey, I don't even pick up my gun. You want me to go for the gun? You think that joke business is punching the number right now, fast?
What you say? Which one you there?
Yo, give me this man, yo! Yo, me serious, you know, I'm blood spilling. You think I joke? You see how she? Yo, tap it. Hey, yo, tap it. Tap it nice, man. Make sure so the boss getting money, that me a talk about. You can't go nowhere, so let's stay this up. Yeah.
Here. Where's that going now? Yo, what do you mean? What do you mean you have some bad news? Yo, you make your girl get with my youth. Alright. Yo, what you gonna do? Get Juta and you and him go get her back.
Relax now.
You dirty enough.
Babes, watch out. Just relax and tap nice man when we relax and cool out there so until they're gone.
Anytime. Go out until night.
Just
Cover drink around. Sure. Come in.
Daddy. Just sleep, man.
Say, alright.
Yeah, man, we're alright. Just tired. But the teacher them say if he send in his school fee, you know.
Them soon get their money, man. We not worry about that. Because see what you do after the country.
Yeah.
First, when I make your work is done at the hospital. Get people around there. So they're not supposed to have pressure me. But me go get the money to them. Your auntie, we talk to her today. So she go send her the money to Western Union. And me will deal with that. You understand? So don't worry about that.
All
So
right.
go rest, man. Go and go rest. Me have some soup. You want soup?
Yeah.
There's some soup in there. So you can throw it some and go and drink it. Me soon talk to you.
Alright.
Me take a 5, me I go out later.
Yeah, man.
You know see you know see your mother?
No, me not see her. But me go to her after me finish.
I think she out the road just say you know.
Yeah.
I don't know short there because she not work today, but she love laba and sit down and chat. Watch me and him. I don't have time for her.
Yeah. Me go to her, man.
Candy, come here. Me am so sweet. Come here.
Alive.
A while ago, me hear boom through me yard. No two man a run down fear brother and you man. The two man they look like they all are some rough gunman or something. One piece of sitting.
See me, brother?
Yes, fear brother. And the woman you want to see them around like a UCM bolt. Me up here say no sir. I must thief them thief again, you know. Cause me that hear some things that grow in the community where they say them a thief.
Me know say my brother a thief for a long time, you know. But me thinking did stop.
Stop.
A long time in touches. But me can't believe saying go back go do it again.
Me can't believe neither. Me so me hear the
You
road
sure say
here.
my brother, you see?
Of course I hear brother. Thiefing.
No, me thinking did stop. Me know saying touches, you know, but something wrong.
Them they running down, me see the pan with them man, they look like if they catch him, is a dead man. Him and you man, and you
Jesus.
want to see you man run faster than him, you know.
Alright. Me have some food over me yard. And me done cook. You want some food?
Yeah man, will I take him down
Alright,
some
come
days?
on, we can finish chat over there. You can sit down here, sir. Me
Alright,
soon
yeah.
come back, you know.
Alright.
You're sure the food can come.
Yeah man.
You know, say you just that come to come share some for me.
Me already have your plate. Now we'll share some for you. Alright?
Alright, yes, mommy.
So how's school today?
School did nice today, you know. Learn a whole heap of things today.
Alright, come on.
Enjoy yourself. Such a little bit of food you eat.
Yeah, me not to eat.
What is?
Thank you.
Get up and go on inside. We're going to talk.
But, mommy.
But go on inside. When you see these people talk, you don't come in and make love manners. Go on in. So you're going now. You like it so?
Yeah, man, it's nice. Me a
Mm-hmm.
come. You know, me a talk to somebody before me buck up in you.
I know you love your mix up already. Tell me some of it.
The girl over there, now, it's tenement yard over there. We breed feed deacon. We then say breed feed deacon. You know, say nothing pitney.
I lie.
And that Karen a tell me.
She not tell you nothing more what you could have tell me.
I whole person Karen tell me. Right now, me not even can remember them. Every time Karen call me or something new, she have to tell me.
Yo, what teeth for them? You know your man, so what teeth for them?
Like if you can't get squawk over, burn up in shot, you know.
No, his sister shot. Eh? Them don't know we know.
I want to know.
What you mean so why
What
know?
teeth for them?
Thief in the year.
You find them in there?
Yeah, look in them.
Looking at some?
Alright, look in them. Man. Yo, search up in there. I want to take man.
No, no, no.
Yeah, in there.
The luck is still in. Let them go on for today. We're soon forward, but don't worry yourself. Come in there. Nah, rest not.
You see my brother Tiffy? I'm tired for warning. I done with him. I have nothing to do with him.
Right now, I'm appetite.
Me no business with him. No. Don't make people dig up my place. Me done with him. You know what? Not about...
No, I'm ready for go. I'm hungry.
You finish it?
I'm hungry.
Not everybody want this soup.
Go
Later.
over. Alright.
Later
Right now, I'm afraid to go over. Because suppose I turn back.
No, I not turn back in no but I think they ain't gone. Look more when you say try get your people up the road and look at them, see them and run go over your yard.
Lock your gate.
Alright, me gone.
Alright, come on.
Tell us you know if you take so much time and the money, you know. You're not here.
Oh, so when you did not get the money, you never too much? Eh?
Too much, me tell you if you not take too much, we could have still work with what you take.
Just stop it nice, man, because you see you make me almost dead if you come for your white people in place.
So now you make them kidnap me.
Come on, man.
So what you learn today?
About modern technology.
I tell you, I'm saying I school to learn. Me tell you, I got to learn nurse. How come we in a modern technology?
No, but you have to learn about the
A while ago, me a nap, you know. You tell me, say teacher say you must get more money. Where you go to school for to learn? To take care of the people. How come modern technology come to you? Me say, no go learn about computer.
No, Daddy.
I go come and talk to the teacher, you know. You hear me?
Yes.
Tell you someone talk to him. Tell you, my teacher is about medicine.
Yes, Daddy.
And tell we can teach about herbs too.
Yes, Daddy.
Marijuana and all of them. Something there called Ballers Night. But me no want your farm no fool. You tell us the modern technology, you come home. Nobody have no lunch money that day. They come home with a little money and we can save and send back to school next day. Because we have food, yeah.
Yeah.
You want so there, so I'm proud of you though. Alright?
Yes, Daddy.
Did I ever lead the wrong yet?
No, Daddy.
If I never did and I sit up on the straight path, so you would have lean up. Tell you know?
Yeah.
You look on the neighbor. Look on the neighbor with them. Look on the neighbor with them. You see what I want? What if a girl them catch a neighbor with them and then breed up and gone? Are you alone there left standing? Or a shot or two shot they overlook you? I know that.
Yes.
Daddy love you, yeah?
Yes, Daddy. Love you too.
Alright.
Guess what? Me just see uncle and girlfriend hide and come in a while ago.
Alright.
Yes!
May I come? Fifi! Come on, I need to talk to you.
Where
Come out here, so.
Sister, I'm here, man. Relax now. What happened?
You have a right for the look so out there, so. What kind of problem you and your woman gone in with Debo boy them?
Take time talk now.
If you take time talk, take time go in a trouble. What your problem? What happened?
Kenny, just relax now, man. Me ain't no problem, man.
Just tell me why problem is.
You know, say me can't tell you everything. Because you chat too much. Next thing you carry business going on the road. And next thing you have problem now. More problem now what me now. Just relax yourself, man. Just go on over. Go relax with the family.
Take care now, family. No tell
You
me
no
to
see
relax.
me.
Me no see
you
you.
no see me.
You make the man them come over me yard and I search up over there. Look for you. Me tell them say you're not there. Then come they search. You see you? You're not to put yourself in a problem.
Stay out of my business.
Stay out of your business. Okay, the money them when me spend sake of you already. Me go stay out of your business because you must think me will make people kill me sake of you. And you and your woman then fi kill not me. Because me know you know your problem. Me gonna my yard. You're alright. You see you? You're full of too much attitude. You remember saying your bigger sister be a problem you put yourself in. You
see you.
Look like a thief, you a thief you give for your woman. I cannot go look what though.
Leave your woman out of this, yeah?
What your woman a do in this? I told me yesterday run.
You know, say me not like girl in the trouble, you know. And you know, say me not like when I chat about my woman, you know.
Look
just
here.
leave my woman out of this.
Let me tell her something. She look like a nice girl, but she's a thief just like you. Me know why you're not in front.
Babes, come in, because she a thief all
Thank you guys for watching. We are at the end of this video, and as always we enjoy creating these wonderful content for you. And remember, share the video up, man. Tell a friend for tell a friend. And I also want to, we're not going to call any names, but I'm just going to say this year has not started off on such a bad note. In spite of, we have had some we don't call it, some mishaps in terms of losing somebody that's close to the channel. But apart from that, we have been having some good news in terms of persons have been reaching out to us and lending us some assistance. We have gotten a brand new laptop to edit. We have gotten a camera and some other microphones and light and stuff, all donated from wonderful people who believe in what we're doing, and they have a vision in terms of seeing where this thing that we're doing here in Jamaica is going to go far. So that's why when you see me come on the camera and talk to you guys and say, you know what, please, if you want to contribute to what we're doing, contribute, man, because this is going to help the development of the film industry, and it is going to create job opportunities for people who are around us. So please, other persons out there, make the effort, man, if you can. I know if you live in Jamaica, you might can't afford to help us financially, but if you're outside of Jamaica and you can, link us up, man. Send what you can send. Come if you want to send a camera, if you want to send another laptop, if you, whatever as it pertains to equipment. If you have a tripod laying around, if you have some lights, whatever, link us, man, and send it. Come do it. And if you want to, how should I put this? If you want to help persons in Jamaica too, you can pack a barrel, send come, we give it to some people who really need it, or we can use it ourselves, because on a daily basis we cook, we have people around that we have to really take care of. So if you guys want to contribute in any shape and form, whether through cash, whether through kind, whatever, do so, we'll appreciate it. So big up on yourself, continue to support what we do as we continue to do what we do. Big up on yourself.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. For your device, you know, it's the device of fire rats, you know. So greetings to all, big up all of the sponsor them, big up all the producer them, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? It's a journey, you know what I mean, to continue. Pressing on. Yeah, no, me have a little cousin over in somewhere in the world. He's doing some cooking, so I'm going to put him cooking channel in the description. You go over there and watch him a cook say, and subscribe and tell him say a fire rat send no. You know what I mean? Because cooking is a must. So who can cook yet, you can learn to cook now. You know what I mean? That's how it go. Yeah man, different from that though. So, thanks for watching, you know what I mean? Keep on supporting the movements, you know what I mean? And for all the people out in the world who want to come back home, you can contact me because I have a plan. You know what I mean? And with a plan, we can move mountain. So everybody in the diaspora who want to come back home afraid of crime and violence, what you have to do, just contact me. We figure it out. You know what I mean? Because together, we can. Better Jamaica campaign.